Adventures. Olaf!
Yeah, it's Olaf! I'm so excited for this Play-Doh egg.
Yeah. Let's get started!
Yay!
Yes.
Let's take his hair off first.
Yeah. Now let's just do this now.
Then his nose.
And this. And then his eyes. I took his eyebrow off.
He sure looks funny without any eyes.
Yeah.
Now let's take his mouth off.
I got it off, Sissy. Look, I got it off.
Good job. Audrey, do you want to help?
Yeah. Whoa, what's that? That's the flavor.
Right over here.
Play-Doh.
Oh my gosh, I see Olaf.
I'm so excited.
Let's clean up all this Play-Doh. Let's get into this egg. Okay, what do you want to grab first?
This.
Ooh, what's that? It's a frozen little kingdom Olaf.
I'm good at this.
Oh, you got it? It looks like this is him and Olaf in summer. No, there's tape on the sides. And then there's tape on the sides. There we go. Comes with a little float with a moose on it. Got some little sunglasses. And then of course, you have Olaf. He's so cute. Looks like he's waving at you. Hi, guys.
He wants to go swimming.
Put his float on.
Hi. This angel these tiny glasses.
Let me see. I'm gonna put him on him. Aw, he's so cute with his little float and sunglasses.
Ready for the beach.
Okay, see you later, Olaf. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, let's get something else.
This.
That? Okay. This is a Disney key ring. Let's open this up.
Can I open it?
Of course. Thumper? Oh, I think you got Thumper. Aw, he's so cute. I love Thumper. Okay, now on to the next toy.
This.
Another one? Okay, here's another one of the Disney key rings. Who do you want to get next? Let's see. So we got Bambi, Thumper, Figaro, Dipstick, Patch, Lady, Tramp, Todd, Copper, and then 2 Mystery. Which one do you want?
This
Bambi? She wants Bambi.
Hope it's Bambi.
We'll see. Who is it? Figaro! Aw, he's so cute.
I think it's Figaro.
It is Figaro.
Let me see.
See? That one's Figaro.
And we died.
Thumper. We have Thumper and Figaro. Let's see what else we have in our egg.
Yeah.
Okay, grab
This.
another one? Okay. Who do you want now? Lady? She wants Lady this time. Lady or Bambi?
Lady.
I want any of them. They're all so cute.
Like this.
Of course. Who is it?
It's not Lady. It's not Lady.
It's Patch. Oh, he's so
Patch
cute.
From the movie.
From 101 Dalmatians. So cute. Aww. Hello.
Hello.
He's adorable. Okay, grab something else. A Shopkins? What is that? Looks like maybe some bread. Aww. Oh, it's very squishy.
Can I swish?
Of course.
I have the rock and
Silver.
the silver and this. My favorite color, green.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put them up here.
What kind of your favorite?
What's my favorite color?
Mhm.
My favorite color is light purple. Comment down below what your favorite color is.
My first color is purple, light purple. There.
You like light purple too? Okay, let's grab another toy. Another one of those. Okay.
I hope it's Lady.
You mean Bambi?
Lady.
She pointed at Bambi, so I'm guessing she wants Bambi. Okay, grab it out of there. You mean Bambi? It's Bambi! Yay! I'm so happy. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. He's adorable. He's Thumper's best friend, so let's move Figaro over here and put him by Thumper. Let's move on to another toy. Whoa! A giant squishy Olaf. He's so cute and soft. I think he's like a pillow.
Let's swish it.
Yeah. So
I
cute.
feel something in it.
Stuffing. Okay, now let's grab another toy. Elsa! She's so cute. Aww. I love her dress.
Can I see?
Now, oh, Olaf's back. He's back from his beach trip.
Hi, Olaf. Glad you are back.
Me too. Now I have a friend here. Now let's get the next toy.
This.
Nope, that's not next. We saved the gold egg for last, Audrey. Okay, let's see. We got Anna, a Tsum Tsum Anna. She's so cute. Now Olaf has his best friend. Aww. And the two sisters, Anna and Elsa. Okay, now it's time for the gold egg. I'm so excited.
What's inside?
I don't know. What a Kinder Egg! This is a Disney Princess Fairies Kinder Egg. Okay, let's see. Crack it open.
Different
Whoa.
colors.
not sure who this is, but you guys can let us know down in the comments. Okay, now how does that egg taste? That's really yummy. Alright, that's the end of this video. Audrey, what was your favorite part?
This one.
The squishy Shopkins. Mine was all of the Disney toys. I loved all of them. I cannot choose between them.
Which one was your favorite?
Let us know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video,
Do this video. Big thumbs up!
yeah, give us a big thumbs up. And subscribe to watch more.
Push my YouTube.
Push that bell.
And then open the door. And ding the door. And not to open, just open the door.
I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.